Hi, class. We're going to go over our syllabus for the school year. This is our Algebra I syllabus. A link to download this is found in the syllabus folder on the Polaris site. If you're attending in person, you will receive a paper copy of this syllabus. It overviews and outlines everything we're going to be doing this school year. So I'm going to read through some of this as you can see it on your screen. Our classroom policies. Every student is expected to show up to class on time with a positive attitude, ready to learn. If you are learning virtually, you have to log in, I believe, by 9 a.m. Every day. And the daily activity lesson folder, whether it's a video lesson or a quiz or a test, will all be available to you in Polaris. For the in-class students, no students should speak without raising their hand. We're not going to make fun or put down anybody inside of this class or outside. That includes in Polaris. We're going to be doing some discussion board chats in which I'm going to have you interacting with your fellow classmates, and we're going to show respect to each other at all times, including no foul language. For cell phones, they're not needed day-to-day in class. If cell phones are needed, I will be sure to let you know. No food or drink at any time. This has been a big one recently because of all the allergies. So we're going to have no food or drink in class. I'm okay with a water bottle if you'd like some water, but no drinks or food are needed. Materials. This is the big one. So for this year, I am going to be issuing a textbook to all students. The textbook is a red textbook that looks like this. It is by Larson. For my virtual students, there will be a copy with your name on it waiting at the school for you. The in-person will be issued a copy of the textbook. This is for your reference to help you throughout the year. We may be doing some work out of the textbook at times, but every student is going to need a textbook. You're also going to need your Chromebook for the access to Polaris. I would recommend a pencil or a pen. Pencil is easy to erase in math. A 3-ring binder or a notebook to keep your notes straight and any work that we're going to be doing on a separate sheet of paper. A TI-84 Plus calculator looks like this. This is a calculator you're going to use throughout high school, and I'm going to ask every student to get one of these for this year. It is a bit pricey, but please share with your parents that it is a calculator you're going to use for the next 4 years and on into college. It's a great tool. We're going to be able to interact with it on the computer. I have an emulator that we can show how to do different things, and it's a very powerful tool with graphing and a lot of the things that we're going to be getting into this school year. And the last thing is your completed homework. If you have any questions about any of the materials, feel free to email or leave a message in Polaris, and I'll be sure to answer. And that goes with anything in this syllabus. Your grades are going to be determined in an 85-15 product process with the standard grading scale. This has been the same for years now, so you should be familiar with this from the middle school. Process essentially is your homework grades. Product are your quiz and test grades, or if we have any projects that we do. The makeup policy, if you are ill, you have as many days that you're out to make up any work missed. So if you miss 2 school days, then you have 2 days to make up any homework, tests, quizzes, anything of that nature. Cheating is not going to be tolerated. If anybody's caught cheating, you will receive a 0. The school will be notified, the office will be notified, and your parents will be notified. I know we're in a unique time now with the virtual learning. So it's going to be every student's responsibility to have the honor system that we're all going to be being truthful and not cheating in any way. In this class, you can retake anything you would like. As long as all your homework's completed, you can read through the policy there. But after I pass a test or quiz back, or we take a test or quiz in Polaris, you'll have up to a week to do a retake, as long as all your homework's completed and the original study guide is completed again in a 30-minute tutoring session. Last but not least, this is a high school credit course. It does count towards your high school GPA. It's one of your first high school credits and should be taken seriously. Nobody wants to start their freshman year off on a bad foot. So I'm here as a resource to help you along the way so that we all start our high school careers on a positive note. I know this is a crazy year, so please, if you have any questions on anything, don't ever hesitate to reach out and ask.